The region has a 1.5 kilometers long and 250 meters wide road. The screwy fact about Jatinga is, the birds from divergent species and distinct habitats reach here to commit suicide. It's a natural phenomenon nobody has been able to explain. This fatal spot has attracted the eyes of many scientists with its a frightening and terrifying phenomenon. Yeah, frightening and terrifying. Because neither birds have suicidal tendencies nor people of the region are interested in such killings. Then, what are the euphemisms of these unnerved deaths? Another nerve-twitching fact is the period of deaths. This unnerved period is from late monsoon, September, till November between 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. daily. Isn't it intimidating about a frightened deaths between a static period of time? In 1988, when Assam faced severe floods, a maximum number of bird suicide was reported in Jatinga. Many of the ornithologists devoted their time to this appalling research. Studies divulged that during monsoon most of the water bodies in Assam get flooded. Many local species of birds here lose their natural habitat and start migrating. Jatinga falls in between their migratory paths. Research also divulged that these birds are from local species and habitat. This phenomenon did not victimize the long-distance migratory birds. Villages were the cause of appalling deaths as the demonic spirits over the skies which daunt these birds down to demise. Also, only those specific species of birds disquieting the demons demised. Scientists also tried to solve the mystery and affirmed a valid theory for unnerved deaths. As mentioned above about the floods during monsoon and loss of habitats of diversified species of birds. They concluded that species migrate from one place to another during this period. Jatinga falls as a migratory path in between these tongue-tied earthly steps forward in the search for light sources, where they meet with sudden obstacles like bamboo trees, poles, walls, etc. These sudden obstacles result in the dreadful injuries to the birds, and this causes the deaths of the species of birds. Yet till now, there is no confirmed theory about this macabre, and hence this fatal spot, Jatinga, is still a mystery. The train route to Jatinga is itself an adventure and is one of the scariest routes in the entire world.